Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. So let's go and do the driving that you need to prepare for yourself to do. I'm going to go left at the end, mirror, mirror, signal left. It's a closed junction. I can't see anything. Cover the brake and the clutch. Car is rolling. Put the clutch down now. Push into first gear. And I'm looking. Cover the, give a little gas, clutch with the biting. No one coming. And I go mirror, second gear. Mirror again. Done. First exit left on this roundabout. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Signal left. So the second gear. Look on my right. Someone there. Good, good. Nice and gentle. Roundabout. Second exit. Straight ahead. Second straight. There's two roundabouts actually coming up. Both of them, I'm going to go second exit. Straight ahead. Both. Second exit. Straight ahead. Mirror, brake. What's the speed coming up now? 30. Don't miss that, okay? Brake, brake, brake. Second gear. Look on my right. No one coming. In the left lane. Because I'm going second straight. Left lane, mirror, mirror. And here, signal left. Okay, is the bus going to move? Here, signal off. What's the bus trying to do? Are they going to move? No. Mirror. Second exit straight on this roundabout coming up. Sorry, second gear. Look on my right. No one coming. Okay. Left lane again. And mirror, mirror. When I'm here, what do I do now? Signal left. Good. There we go. Roundabout coming up. What do I do? Second exit, straight ahead. Second straight, okay? Mirror, mirror. Second exit straight. Okay, good. Brake. Look on my right. Look on my right. I'm slowing down. Second gear now. Nice and smooth. Look on my right. Okay. And I'm going to go. You need to relax, okay? Roundabout is all about timing. I looked on my right. There was a car coming. I knew by the time I go there, slow the car second, they'll be gone. And I'll go mirror, mirror, signal left. I'm going to go left here. It's all about being confident, okay? Now mirror, cover the brake and brake. Brake, brake, brake. Brake more. Cover the clutch, but don't touch. Brake more, more, brake more, more. Now put the clutch down and stop around here. Okay, handbrake on. Neutral, first gear now. Mirror, 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 and go. Mirror again, second gear. Done. Mirror again, third gear. Every time you do something, before I'm in here, I'm braking, I am changing gear. Look at the mirror before you do anything, okay? Any change of speed, always mirror. Roundabout coming up, first exit on the left, and then follow Lee. The sign saying Lee, follow Lee, L-E-E, Lee, okay? So we're going to go left, mirror, mirror. Going to go left, and after that, I'm following signposted Lee. Lee is name of a place which I need to follow, okay? So I go left, and then what do I do? Look on the sign, and look where it says Lee, L-E-E, Lee. So where is it? Second exit, straight ahead. So I need to go second straight. Which lane do I normally need? Left lane. In this case, left lane is going only left. I need to go straight, don't I? So I need the middle lane. You get it? So the default is to go left, you need the left lane to go straight. But in this case, left lane is only going left, which meant I need the middle lane. Okay? I'm not signaling now. And when I'm here, mirror, mirror, what am I going to do? Signal left. Because it's the second exit for Lee, to follow Lee. I'm still following Lee, okay? So look at the sign. Look for Lee. Okay. So left here. Where is Lee? Can you see Lee? Second exit straight. Yes? Signal off. No signal now because I'm going second exit. That's where the Lee is. Okay? So slow the car. Slow the car. Look on my right. Look on my right. Second gear. No one coming. Second exit, mirror, mirror. I'm on here. Signal left. Make your own lane. Okay? This roundabout doesn't have road markings, which meant I had to make my own lane. Just because there is no road marking, don't just go straight. Go round. That's what roundabout means. What does roundabout means? It means to go round. Okay?
If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course.
Now we're going to follow North Baddesley. There is a roundabout coming up. On the roundabout, we need to follow the sign North Baddesley. We need to decide which exit, we need to decide which lane. But we're going to see the sign first and then decide. North Baddesley is what we are following. So look at the roundabout and decide which lane you need. So where is North Baddesley? Can you see it? It's second exit on the right. Second on the right, which means we need the right lane. Mirror, mirror, signal right, and it's the right lane. Why? Because it's right. Even though it's second exit, it's on the right. Slow down. Look on your right. There is a car coming. First gear. Look on my right and enter into the right lane. Into the right lane. That's first. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Blind spot. Blind spot. And I go. What's the speed? Can you see the speed limit? The small one is saying national speed limit. Why is it small? It's just reminding you it continues because it's already been national speed limit. If it just started now, it would be in a bigger sign. Small one gives you reminders. Okay? 60 here. I'm following North Baddesley still. North Baddesley. So look at the sign and tell me where is North Baddesley. Second exit straight, which means I need the left lane. But in this case, left lane is not going straight. So what do I do? Right lane. Make sure you know this, okay? In this case, I can't use the left lane. Why? Because it's going only left. And I need to go straight second exit. I need the right lane. Make sure you know the rules and you understand the lanes. And then keep reading. Look on the floor. Look for the road marking. Look for the road signs. Going to go left at the end. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Okay. Going to go to first gear. Close junction. I can't see anything. There we go. Mirror. There we go. Stop somewhere safe on the right. On the right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Blind spot. Blind spot. And go move over. Okay. And I go and stop here. And close to the pavement. And I stop here. Good. Come back on. Neutral. Signal off. When the examiner asks you to stop somewhere safe on the right, don't just move over straight away. Look at the mirror, put the signal on, look if it's safe. When it is, look at the blind spot, then move over. Okay, remember one of the maneuver is for you to stop on the right, reverse and move off. And that's what we're going to do now. And that's why it could happen in your test. Remember, you got 4 parkings for you to learn. And out of the 4, you need to do 1. And this could be the one for your test, okay? So for you to do that, the examiner will ask you to stop on the right. When he or she does that, don't just move over as soon as they say. When they said it, look at the road, look at the safe where you're going to stop, make a decision where you're going to stop, look at the mirrors, put the signal on, and then don't just go. Make sure it's safe, make sure it's safe, make sure nobody there, then blind spot, and then move over. Done. Now I need to reverse 2 car. For me to reverse 2 car, what do I need to do? I'm down, reverse gear, look from here, and look there. There's a car coming, and then now there's no one coming. I go back every now and again, look around. Okay, I could take the seatbelt off if I wanted, like I said before, because I'm now reversing. I could take the seatbelt off, but I'm not going to take it off because then before I go, if I forget to put it back on, I'm going to fail. So I'm going to leave it on. Okay, go around, look at the back, keep looking mainly at the back every now and again. Keep the speed low. Every now and again, look around. There's a car coming. I'm going to wait for that car. So every time someone comes, just stop, give them away. When they go, they're gone now. Look around. Look at the back. And look around. Make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, am I okay? Am I okay? Am I okay? Okay, about 2 car back. Okay, about 2 cars back. Just say this is the 2 car. Okay, about 2 car. I need to go look around to the back, and I stop. I'm back on neutral, rest my feet, and I position myself back to where I was. Remember, if you change, then come back the way you need to be for you to drive again. Okay, so that's 2 car. Now move off, plane is safe. Clutch down, first gear, look around from here, look at the blind spot, signal. Now I need to make sure no one coming from there, no one coming from there. Okay, so I'm going to edge because of the car, I can't see. So I'm going to edge and see, edge and see, edge and see no one coming, and I go. Make sure you don't miss anyone from there and from there. Because of that red car, the view was blocked, so I had to make sure I could see who's coming. Okay? At the end, we'll go right. At the end of the road, we'll go right. That's a speed bump, so don't go too fast on those. What are they made for? Slow you down. Mirror, mirror, signal right. I'm gonna go right here, okay? First gear. Keep the distance from the car in front. Okay, I go there, look both way, and I go right. Mirror, second gear. Mirror, third gear.
If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course.